Hey, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. It's another deep dive dyeing tutorial. Alright, you guys, welcome back to another tutorial. If you couldn't tell, it's sweater weather. It is, sure. No, I mean, it's the beginning of September, which automatically means it's fall. Fight me. Got my candle, my pumpkin candle going. I've got hot coffee. I'll still drink iced coffee throughout the season, but it's like 60 degrees and raining. So this is a perfect fall tutorial. It's all about, you guys, the sunflower. Here are a few of my favorite flowers to be able to use as sunflowers. Let's go through these. This is Sunny, which is a Lux flower. This is the Wild Double Daisy, Shasta, Sunflower. This is Queen Freya, Sundance, Quincy. That's all of them. There are a few others, and we do have a whole bunch. We break down all of our flowers by like style flowers too at ohyourlovely.com. So if there's a particular style flower you're looking for, we might already have a section for that. Chromacoats straw, which we'll work on one of those in a second. This is not there. That's appropriately named sunflower. That color. Then I also have, the brown is burnt umber. Come on. From Folk Art. The red is from Anita's. Not focusing either. Why is nothing focusing today? Wine? Because I'm gonna start whining. Also, the orange is Persimmons by Deco Art Americana. Oh wow, we went through all of the different brands of craft paint. Spray bottle, paintbrushes, that's the word I was looking for, and that's it. All right, let's jump into it. The paint. Hi. How are you? Okay, so what we're gonna do, I think we're just gonna dye a whole bunch of flowers. I'm gonna go in sections of the different style flowers. I'm gonna have music in the background, but you can feel free to mute me and put your own music on. It's okay. I'm fine with that. All right, let's dive into it. We're gonna be primarily using the yellows, watered down. I didn't add glycerin, but you can, doesn't matter. Spray bottle, just water, no glycerin in there. You can add glycerin if you want, doesn't matter to me. And then we're gonna be doing a lot of brushing details. That's kind of how I roll when it comes to the sunflowers. All right, let's dive in. Oh, one other thing. Jeez Louise, I don't need to be that close. My face doesn't need to be that close. Get yourself some pictures from like Pinterest or something. Hi. Oh, did it go in there? Wow, this is such a hot mess. Now I'm eating my other side. Pinterest, grab a couple pictures to use as inspiration. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now really, break. Let's do this. there you have it, guys. This is a true fall tutorial in that and beginning of fall where you wear a sweater at the beginning and by the end of the day, the sweater has come up because it's stinking hot still. I should turn the AC back. It's fine. It's fall and I'm gonna will it to be fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We did do something a little bit different this time. There was a lot less of me talking and just a lot of just getting into my creative like flow of doing and like playing and getting my hands super dirty. It's fine, it washes off with soap, I promise. So let me know, do you like these? Because we're gonna be doing we're always gonna be doing these deep dive dyeing technique videos. Once again, we need to come up with a better name for these. We have so many different style flowers, so we're gonna continue to do this series, and I'd like to know, do you like a little bit more verbal instruction of what I'm doing or just visually watching as we're kind of going at not a normal pace? We speed it up a little bit. Otherwise, it might get a little boring for you. I don't know. Or do you want it to be completely slowed down? All of these things are important to know, so please drop a comment below. Let us know. Be nice about it though. Please be kind. Rewind. Okay, and so that's it. If you love these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next time we go live, which is just about every week, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style Sola flowers, along like sunflowers. Hello, we've got a whole bunch of different style sunflowers, along with craft supplies and greenery. Go to where? Go to ohyourlovely.com. But wait, because I keep screwing up, look at how nice I am. I'm gonna give you a coupon. Why not? Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. Oh boy. I always am like, I'm really rusty at these and there's no reason to be rusty at all. So there's that. So I'll see you next week. Rusty is over. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely. And you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys. See, I even waved before I even said goodbye. Rusty, rusty, rusty.